What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we are doing a low ball tempo taper, and if it's your first time tuning in, hit subscribe. First, you want to comb out the section before doing any cutting, and then we are doing a low ball tempo taper, so when you're creating your first line, you can use the top of the ear as your guideline. Next, we'll start by grabbing our clipper, no guard, open up the lever halfway, and using just the corner only, we'll go up about 1/4 inch. Next, we will fully close the lever all the way, no guard, and using just the corner, we are going to lighten up the first line we created. Next, we will put our zero guard on, lever still closed, using just the corner of the blade only, go up another 1/4 inch. And as we keep going up, we will gradually open up the blade until we open it all the way, using only the corner to remove a lot of weight. Next, we will put our number 1 guard on our blade, close the blade all the way, and repeat the same steps by going up another 1/4 inch using the corner of the blade only. And as we keep removing the weight, we will gradually open up the blade. And to avoid this taper from going any higher, but still making sure it blends into the top, we will grab our thinning shears and we will do a shear over comb technique. And we can repeat these exact same steps on the opposite side and on the neckline as well. And now for our lineup, we're going to go ahead and start from the back of the neck and work our way over the ear and around to the front. You want to make sure to keep everything natural and make sure to comb that hair out as much as possible so you can catch any of those loose hairs. And you're just going to repeat all the same steps for the lineup in the front as well. Like I said, you want to comb everything out, make sure it's nice and natural. And if you want your client to have a long-lasting lineup, you want to make sure to pick those loose hairs out and try to clean it up as much as possible, because those hairs that hang over provide longevity for your client's haircut. And when using the straight razor, you want to stretch the skin as much as possible and make sure to follow the natural lineup that you created. Thank you guys so much for watching. I put a lot of work and time into these videos. If you wouldn't mind subscribing to support my channel, I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.